Have you ever had a checkbox that you want to change color? Well, if you have, then accent color is a way that you can use to change it. Let's get into the code. So we're going to start off with our unstyled checkbox code. We're going to have unstyled checkbox for reference. This is the normal one. This is what it looks like by default with not a lot of styling on it, and it is blue. So what if we wanted to change this to green or red? So this is one with an accent color, and let's put a BR in there. I know no one likes BRs anymore, but I like them. Let's put 2 BRs, even though I should probably use a div or a P. And this is also blue at the moment. So we want to change this to green. How do we do that? Really easily. There is actually a property called accent color that you can add. And we have already added accent color as a class, accent checkbox. And then we're going to add a class up here called accent checkbox or accent. And then we're going to change accent color. And then we can pick our color here and reload. And now when we check it, it is green. And then this one's still blue. So if we wanted a purple checkbox or fuchsia or whatever color that is, we just change that, and there we go. We have a different colored checkbox. How easy. Accent color and then change. Anyway, nice quick video today on changing the accent color. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.